Hello students. Today's practical class is regarding strings in Java. So we all need to know how we can operate strings in Java. In the theory class, we have come up that the strings are not basic data types in Java. It doesn't fall under the category of basic data type in Java. Strings are classes in Java, and we need to create string objects in order to use strings in Java. This program mainly compares two strings and try to check whether the two strings are equal or not. So in that case, we need to use some string methods so that the string methods can be used to find the. So we are not using a predefined string method in this program, although there are predefined string methods in this program. We try to create our own method, and we try to compare two strings, and if they're equal we say they're equal, otherwise they're not equal, right? So what we try to do here is we create a class called string comp that will be comparing two strings, and the scanner class is taken in order to read the strings from the keyboard. Let's go to the main function first. So we take two string objects x and y. We can take strings like this or new string. So anyways you can do. If the new operator is not used, then also it's fine. So we create a scanner object called obj in order to read data from the keyboard, and we ask the next is a uh, print statement to tell the user that you should enter a string, and object dot next line is used to read a string, and then we stored it in x. Similarly, the second string is read and stored in y, and then we make a statement that string x and string y are equal, so it will return true or false. Then we compare a function called compare, and we pass those two strings x and y there. So it comes here to the compare string, and it returns a boolean value. So boolean means true or false. If x and y are both null, if we have not input any value, then we are returning false. If the length of x is not equal to length and y, obviously if two strings needs to be equal, the first thing is that both the strings must be of the same length, then we're returning false. Next, what we'll do, we'll compare every character of the string with one another, and then if suppose one also doesn't match, then we return false, otherwise we return true. If all the characters match, we return true, otherwise we return false. So what we are doing is that we are traversing the characters of the string one by one, starting from the 0 index number to the length minus 1 value, so less than x dot length of the string. And if they are not, suppose if one character is not same, we are returning false, otherwise we are returning true. So whatever is returned, it will be displayed here, true or false. So let's try to run this program and see what we get as a result. So enter a first string PABA suppose, and enter the second string PABA, and it says string x is Baba, string y is Baba, and are equal. Is are equal question mark. It's true. The result is true. That means the strings are equal. Suppose we run it once again, and we enter the first string Saurav, the next string CHOURY. Obviously they are not equal, so it's false. So this is returning false. So this program actually tries to compare whether two strings are equal or not using your own method. Although there is a strcmp method available in Java, what we try to do, we try to create our own method to compare whether two strings are equal or